Hey friends, today I wanted to touch base with you on cleaning supplies. I know it's the one thing I don't like to do either is clean, but I do like things to look nice and smell nice. And so this is going to be a dual purpose video talking about some cool products that I found and also highlighting some of the doTERRA products that are essential oil infused for cleaning. And so my history of cleaning with natural products probably goes back 12 years when I started incorporating essential oils into our daily routine. And so one of the cool products that I've always enjoyed, because let's be honest, dryer sheets, there's a lot of talk online about them not being so environmentally friendly, good for the respiratory system. And honestly, when you're using any types of artificial fragrances, they're all hard on the respiratory system. Even just buying new products, everything has a type of aroma that's coming off of it that just is hard on the respiratory system. So trying to keep things as clean and green as you can just, keeps that toxic load at bay. And so a couple things that I just recently found, like dryer balls have been something that I've used for like ever. And the fun thing about dryer balls is they're kind of multi-purpose. So we have dogs, and our dogs like to steal the dryer balls out of the dryer or the laundry baskets, and then they're running around the house with them. So it really is a cheap dog toy. Not to mention, because they're so nice and soft, I mean, they're fairly firm, but they're also soft. So it's better for their teeth. And if it bounces off a window or a TV, it's not going to break it. So I do like that. And then I also have boys. So for any of you that have boys, you know how much they like to play and throw things at one another. And so the dryer balls also come in handy in the winter months when you would prefer they throw a dryer ball versus a snowball. So those are just some other ways that you could use this. And I ran across this company that had a pack of dryer balls. And so I'm like, I'm going to grab those because, like I said, we're always running through the dryer balls between the dogs and losing them and things like that. But the simplicity of the dryer ball is that when it's in the dryer, it's actually helping, absorb some of that moisture off your clothing. It's bouncing against your clothing, which can help it stay soft and also not as wrinkly. And like I said, we've used these for years. I even had found a friend at one time that had made me real wool dryer balls from her sheep. And so that was kind of cool too. But what I like is that, as far as fragrances go or aromas go, because I don't like the word fragrance, as far as aromas go, I asked my essential oil team, and customers, what are some of your favorite dryer ball essential oils? And so, of course, one of my favorites is wintergreen. And I know it sounds weird, but the wintergreen to me smells so good on the dryer balls. And you literally, if you've never done this before, you just literally do 2 or 3 drops per dryer ball and throw it in the dryer. So, and it depends on how strong you want it. You can do 1 drop on each, you could do a couple drops on each, and you just go from there. Another favorite is doTERRA's Abode blend. And so this is considered the refreshing blend. In the Abode line, there's also laundry pods and dishwasher pods. And dish soap. And so I really like the Abode blend. It smells really good. It's great in the diffuser. You can make cleaning supplies out of it, like surface sprays and things like that. And of course, there's the traditional lavender. Everybody loves lavender. If you really like florals and you want a really strong floral aroma, definitely check out Ylang Ylang. So it's like a yellow flower. I think it grows down by Madagascar. It has a super strong floral aroma. Great for hormonal support, just making you feel feminine, just a really nice aroma if you like florals. So that one would be a fun option. Then you've also got Purify, which again is another essential oil blend that doTERRA created called the Cleansing Blend. And to me, this aroma always smelled like my clothes were hung outside. And so that's always been a favorite for me on the dryer balls. And then I did have a couple customers say citrus oils. And so I just figured I'd highlight wild orange, because wild orange I love the smell of wild orange in the diffuser. I actually have that diffusing right now. It just smells like somebody peeled a fresh orange, and it just is uplifting and energizing, especially when the sun is not shining. And then, so you're probably wondering about some of these other things. So if you're not a pod fan, so I broke out in hives once using a store-bought brand of pods. And so I learned a long time ago, I have to really watch what goes in my washing machine and what touches my skin. And so I've had really good luck with the Abode laundry pods. We've also used doTERRA's On Guard essential oil blend laundry soap. And this one is crazy. Like, you only need 1 tablespoon for each laundry load. So like, this thing lasts 64 loads. And then for spot treatment, there's also the cleaner concentrate. And so if you have grass stains, we live on a farm, so you've got different types of farm stains, just pour this concentrate on it, let it soak a little bit, and then run it through the wash. And then one of the girls on our team, who is just kind of starting off with her DIY stuff, I ran across her booth and I seen that she had these really cool bags. And I'm like, what's in there? She goes, oh, it's liquid laundry soap. So she was making her own laundry soap and adding the essential oils in it. So of course I had to buy the Christmas blend one. And I'm just curious to try it for myself because I've just not really made a lot of my own laundry soaps. And the best part is you can open the top, refill the bag, so it's even more eco-friendly. And then you can just twist off this cap, pour what you need in a dish. She has the instructions here on the back of the tag, and then add that to your laundry. And so, but she said these were water bags, and then she just mixed the laundry soap up in them. And I'm like, what a smart idea. It just looks great, it looks clean. And the fact that she could add the different essential oils to it and create that aroma within the washing machine. Now, she did say when you add essential oils, you know, to the laundry in the washer part, the aroma does not carry over quite like it does with dryer balls. So if you want an aroma on your clothing, definitely the dryer balls are an easier option to go, and I'll include the links in the description below in case you want to check out any of these online. And of course, with the doTERRA products, I can get you the 25% off code. So just make sure to check on that in the description. Otherwise, thanks for watching.